we're going to do is take a nail gun. You've seen where we cut the boards earlier. We're just going to nail them together. We know they're the same size, might want to check. Line that board up on there. We've got the benefit of a nail gun here. We're going to go ahead and shoot that. Keep your fingers out of the way. There we go. Best to make that piece of wood frown at you. Got less of a chance to cup. Turn it over. Put another one on. That's pretty much it. The next step we got is we're going to have to put some plywood on the front of these, and we'll progress to that here shortly.